High drive, deep right center field. A lot of carry. Look at this ball. Get out of here. 3-run homer for Kyle Seager coming with 2 outs. And here in the first inning at Baltimore, Mariners have a 3-0 lead for Seager. His 12th home run runs his RBI total to 66 and his 2-out ribby total to 40.
Couple of things. One, you have a pitcher that has been struggling. You want to take advantage of it. 2, the Orioles last in defense. They give you a couple of breaks, and Kyle jumps on this fastball. That's right in the middle of the plate. 92 miles an hour, and he gives it a ride out to right center field. His 12th home run of the year. And even 42 out RBIs now on the season.
Boy, that's a good number to ring up